Welcome to this must-watch video where we will be exploring the latest advancement in modern agricultural equipment that are taking farming to another level. In recent years, technological advancements have transformed the ways farmers operate and produce crops. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the most impressive modern agricultural equipment that the farmers are using today. Agriculture is one of the most important industries in the world, and with the world's population expected to reach 10 billion by 2050, farmers need to produce more food in less time and with fewer resources. Hey everyone, it's Felix Ogoche, AgriSense Hub. We will help you start, grow and make money from agricultural business, and also give you information on new and advanced precision agricultural technologies and tools and how they can be used to increase efficiency and profitability. In this channel, we will also explore other innovative technologies in agriculture such as drone, robotics and sensors, and how they can be used to improve crop yields, reduce waste and optimize resource use. Thank you to all of you who have been tuning in to my channel, watching my videos, leaving comments and supporting me in so many ways. Your support means everything to me, and I could not do this without you. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to the community. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you will enjoy all the content I will be creating. So if you ever look for a video on the latest and most advanced agricultural equipment that is changing the game in modern agriculture, look no further. It is here. I also have some bonus information for you. So make sure you stick around to the end, because I will also be sharing with you how modern agricultural equipment is also being used to improve animal welfare. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of modern agricultural equipment that is taking farming into another level. Number 10. Precision planters. Precision planters are one of the most advanced pieces of agricultural equipment available today. They use advanced technology to plant seed at precise depth and spacing, ensuring that each seed has the best chance of growing into a healthy plant. This equipment can also adjust to changing soil conditions, ensuring that the seeds are planted at the optimal depth. Number 9. Autonomous tractor. Autonomous tractors are another game changer in the modern agriculture. They are equipped with GPS technology, sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate fields and perform various farming operations such as plowing, planting and harvesting without any human intervention. These tractors are highly efficient and accurate, reducing labor, cost and improving yield. Machines are capable of operating without a driver and can carry out tasks such as plowing, seeding and harvesting. Autonomous tractors are also equipped with real-time monitoring systems that allow farmers to keep track of crop conditions, irrigation and other important data. The tractors can be programmed to operate around the clock, ensuring that crops are planted and harvested at the right time. Number 8. Drone, which is also called the unmanned aerial vehicle. Drones are becoming increasingly popular in agricultural industry. They can be used for a range of applications, from mapping fields to monitoring crop health and spraying pesticides. Drones can capture high-resolution images of crop, allowing farmers to detect problems such as pest infestation or nutrient deficiency before they can become a major issue. Drones are also more efficient than traditional crop spraying methods, just like we can see in this video. They can cover large areas of land quickly and accurately, reducing the amount of time and resources required to treat crops. Additionally, drones can be equipped with thermal cameras, which can help farmers detect temperature changes and monitor crop growth. 7. Crop sensors. Crop sensors are used to measure various environmental factors such as temperature, humidity, and soil temperature that affect plants. They use advanced algorithms to analyze data collected and provide real-time feedback to farmers, allowing them to adjust their farming practices and improve yields. Crop sensors are highly accurate and can be used on a large scale, making them a valuable tool for modern agriculture. Number 6. Robotic harvesters. Harvesting crop can be a time-consuming and a laborious process. However, with the introduction of robotic harvester, farmers can now automate this process. These machines are equipped with sensors and cameras that can detect when crops are ripe and ready for harvest. They can use their robotic arms to pick the crops and plant them in bins or containers. Robotic harvesters are much more efficient than traditional harvesting methods. They can operate around the clock, ensuring that the crops are harvested at the right time. Additionally, they reduce the need for labor, which can significantly reduce cost. 5. Irrigation systems. Irrigation systems are essentials for agriculture, and modern irrigation systems are incredibly advanced. They use sensors to monitor soil moisture level and adjust water delivery accordingly, ensuring that the crop receives the optimal amount of water without wasting any time. Some irrigation systems even use recycled water, further reducing water wastes. 4. Vertical farming. Vertical farming is a modern farming technique that allows growing crop in a vertical stack layers. This method is becoming increasingly popular due to its ability to produce large quantities of crop in small space. They are equipped with LED lights that stimulate natural sunlight, allowing crops to be grown year-round, which is an agricultural equipment. Vertical farming also uses less water than traditional farming method. The crops are grown in a soilless medium, which means the water can be recycled, reducing water usage. This method of farming is also less susceptible to pest infestation, reducing the need for pesticides. 3. Grain dryers. Grain dryers are used to dry crops after harvest, preventing spoilage and preserving the quality of the crop. Modern grain dryers are highly efficient, using advanced technology to reduce energy consumption and improve drying time. This equipment is especially important for farmers who operate in areas with high humidity or rainfall. 2. Agricultural robots. Agricultural robots are designed to perform various farming tasks such as pruning, spraying, and harvesting without any human intervention. These are robots equipped with sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate fields and detect crops that are ready for harvest. 1. Soil sensors. Soil sensors are another technological advancement that is changing the way farmers manage their fields. These sensors can be inserted into the soil to measure moisture level, nutrient content, temperature, and weather conditions. Then the information is then transmitted to the farmers, who can use it to make data-driven decisions about irrigation and fertilization application, for example. Finally, modern agricultural equipment has come a long way in recent years, and the advancements are only just beginning. With technologies such as precision agriculture, robotic harvester, drones, and sensors, farmers are better equipped than ever before to produce food efficiently and sustainably. While the initial investment in modern agricultural equipment can be significant, the long-term benefits are undeniable. Thank you for staying tuned up to this time. Earlier in the video, I said I will be sharing with you that cow robotic milking system and modern agricultural technology. So here we go with the bonus. Cow robotic milking systems is changing the way dairy farmers manage their herds. Instead of manually milking cows, farmers can use robotic milking system to automate the milking process. Robotic milking system typically consists of several components, including milking robot, a feeding system, a milk collection system, and a computerized control system. It's equipped with a robotic that uses sensors and cameras to locate the cow udder, attach the milking cup, and begin the milking process. The robotic arm is gentle and non-invasive, and it can be programmed to adjust the milking process to the need of each individual cow. The feeding system can also be programmed to adjust feeding ratios to the need of individual cow, ensuring that they receive the right amount of nutrition. The milk collection system is also equipped with sensors that can also detect any anomalies on the milk, such as high somatic cell count, which can indicate an infection in the cow udders. The computerized control system is used to manage the entire milking process. The control system can also be used to generate report and track milk production and quality over time. They can improve animal welfare, as cows are free to choose when they want to be milked and can avoid the stress of being forced into the milking parlor. Overall, cow robotic milking systems are a promising technology that could help to improve the efficiency and sustainability of dairy farming. There you have it, folks. Modern agricultural equipment that is on another level. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And if you also have any topic that you want me to talk about or make video about, please kindly also put that in the comment section and I will be very happy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more informative video like this. Please check my website agricsenshub.com and subscribe to the email list, and you can also get some blogs and information on important topic.